Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video is on the very new and very pink Anker Soundcore Motion X500, a babysitter to the Anker Soundcore Motion X600 I shot on a previous video and I went camping with. So in this video, we're gonna be checking out this pretty portable speakers. But before that, a quick shout out to Anker for sending this speaker over and making this video happen. Right? Let's get to it. Let's unbox first. Now, obviously, my favorite thing about these speakers is that it's pink. You guys know I'm a sucker for cute things and I absolutely love this color. Now, it also comes in black and blue if you like your speakers less cute. Now, this X500 looks very similar to the X600 in that it has the same handle situation. These speakers also feel nice and solid. You have buttons up here, power button, Bluetooth button, and this button gives you different modes. You get custom, which is the normal mode, spatial signature, which is the spatial audio mode, bass boost, you guessed it, this boosts the bass, and spatial dynamic, which is what you get if bass boost and spatial signature got married and had a kid. Now, I did say in my X600 video, and I didn't really think that there'd be much difference with spatial audio, but I was wrong. There was a clear difference in sound. If you toggle spatial audio on or off, it just makes everything sound more full. It becomes a whole new experience. It's basically sound all around, and you know your music isn't coming from some janky, specific single sound source. Legit, I'm a fan, and I play everything with spatial audio turned on this thing. And I believe the same for these speakers. So let's cycle through the different modes and hope that some of the differences between the different modes sort of translate through in this video so you get an idea of how different they could be. On the other side, you have volume buttons and of course the play and pause button. In the middle here, and this is new, there are now lights. And they're customizable. And you can even assign lights to different modes. Like, what? That's so cool. At the bottom, you also get that USB-C charging port with a cover. And yes, this thing is IP rated with an IPX7. So this speaker connects to your phone or any device via Bluetooth, and then you can download your Soundcore app. As you can see here, this is the interface, and then you get your battery level on here. I love the fact that the photo is pink because my speakers are pink. You have your volume, so I've been playing it at around 50% and it can get louder. You will see later on in this video. You have your play, pause, and then you have your different modes as I've told you earlier, and this is pretty cool because as I switch them through, you'll see that the color is changing on your speakers. You can tap here to do different custom settings with your equalizer, so that's another plus, and then you can change colors as well. Now, what's pretty cool about these speakers is that there are also mics on this, so if you connect your phone like I did and start trying to send video messages while you're playing something with your phone connected to the speakers, know that the audio would be recording not from your phone but from the speaker. So that's a very interesting feature I found as well. Personally, I love the speaker size. It's such a handy thing to carry from room to room or in outside settings or even on trips. It's like my little purse that I can bring anywhere. Like I said, the Motion X500 does strike me as very similar to the Motion X600, except cuter, because you know, pink. Though I'm not saying that the X600 didn't come in a cute color, but pink. And so when I did bring this around, I found that I like this tinier speaker better. Surprise! Because as handy as that previous speaker was, the X600 was still harder to pack than the X500. Well, it was a little bit bulkier because it was also a little bit bigger. And this next point is really important. The size difference is also a better sell to me because despite it being smaller, this thing also sounds so good.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
It can get very loud. So where was I? Handy, pretty and pink, perfect for trips, and perfect even for use at home. Like, this thing already matches most of my stuff in the studio. And most of all, it sounds good, and it's rated to have 12 hours of battery. Well, more or less because it also depends on how you be playing, what you're playing, player. It depends on what you're playing and how loud you're playing and all those different stuff, but more or less 12 hours. And so there you go, friends. That was our look at the very pink Soundcore Motion X500. Let me know what you guys think. Now, I honestly love the Motion X600, but I definitely like this more. I really feel like this will be a staple in my life. All details I have on pricing and availability on this thing, I'll link it down in the description box below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.